Shall I start?
Yes, please.
Yeah, this actually mobile applications for Anganwadis we started in Andhra Pradesh as a pilot, and last year we extended with some more functionality with Mahila Shishu, and this is actually we developed as a one-stop, non-stop solution for rendering all services to the women and children, and we are linking all the stakeholders, and this is actually for rendering services to the women and children. Women and Child Welfare Department is providing services such as supplementary nutrition services, counseling services, and early intervention, etc. Health services, the Health and Family Welfare Department is providing. Livelihood support services, the Rural Development Department is providing, and similarly other departments are also involved. But actually, they are working in isolation. There are different isolated systems are in place at present. So to avoid these redundancies and also to ensure integrity and also to easily track and identify the beneficiaries, we have actually developed this Ma and Mahila issue. So it is a single solution for managing all the women welfare schemes of all the line departments. And for implementing this, persistent connectivity of internet also is not required. A mobile device is sufficient, or if they have a tablet PC without the persistent connection also is okay. And what is actually required? State level, district level, existing desktops or laptops are sufficient. They did not have any infrastructure. We have hosted this application in the NIC data center, and we are going to create accounts for all the states. So all the districts, all the functionaries of all the line departments rendering services to the women and child can register and also use this software freely. And in the last mile, they can have an SMS facility or a GPRS, a mobile with a GPRS or SMS, both the channels they can communicate with. And state governments can actually, they can have a tie with the telecom service provider so that maximum per annum cost of communication can be 60 rupees per annum. So that is going to be a cost effective solution, because nearly we have several lakhs of field level workers rendering services to the women and children.
Rajsekhar ji, can you tell us which slide are you on?
Oh yeah, actually, who can use Ma? I'm
Okay.
Who can use Ma?
Correct, got it.
Anganwadi workers can use, Anganwadi helpers can use, Anganwadi supervisors can use, ANMs can use, ASHAs, field level health workers, Gram Panchayat officials, village level, ward level women organizations, self-help groups, NGOs, and primary health center and sub-center medical officers. These are all the functionaries in the field who can use this Ma. Next slide.
Yes.
What are the deliverables? Reporting the stock of foods, medicines, and other consumables, beneficiaries and services, tracking the beneficiaries and services provided to the beneficiaries, their attendance. That is beneficiaries' attendance and the service providers' attendance. SLP, preschool education, day accommodation, counseling, and all the services what are being rendered on day-to-day basis in the field at all these functions at the facilities can be tracked. Growth monitoring, MMR, IMR, birth monitoring, all this can also happen. Timely monitoring the high-risk cases and severely malnourished children cases also happens through this. And coordinating the delivery of health, nutrition, and livelihood support services of various line departments. So much needed coordination among the field level functionaries this particular system enables. Next slide, please.
Yes. Please go ahead.
Yeah, special services possible. Individual specific, we can track individual specific, because each individual will be registered and will be given a beneficiary ID. And education, sensitization, empowerment, counseling, tele-education, telemedicine also is possible. Wherever actually we have also experimented, wherever 3G connectivity is there, a live video chat is possible. So telemedicine also is possible. Efficacy, if Ma is it freely available? Yes, from NIC side we are providing freely to the government organizations, and any feature if it is not available, we are ready to add that feature. And how to use it? Visit the portal, register, and they can start using it. and we can provide training. And training, what we wish to do is, at the NIC district center, to the trainers of the line department, we wish to conduct training through the video conference. Trainers training at the district level we wish to conduct. For example, if Madhya Pradesh field level functionaries at the district level, NIC, we have all NIC district centers, we have a VC facility. They can come and we can conduct 2-3 days training program to use this software. Next slide, please.
Yes, please.
Technical features. We are providing a common system for use by all the stakeholders working for women and children in India. It is developed using multi-tenant cloud computing technologies and can be used the way Facebook, Gmail, etc. are being used without duplication. So it is a secure and scalable. It can be made multilingual also to suit the requirements of states. And for state, there is no capex, there is no capital expenditure for using them, because these are all hosted in the government data center. And the operational expenditure will be the cost of training as well as the cost of communication. So recurring cost incurred is going to be a small percentage of the present expenditure what they are incurring in reporting through paper form or through other forms the data or reports. So the solution what is being offered is sustainable and cost effective. Next slide, please.
Yes, please.
Impact. Timely monitoring is possible. It brought the desirable behavioral changes. State level ownership and monitoring is a must for ensuring success of this project. Line departments are busy with inefficient and mundane work so far, and Ma MS is the software as a service solution being provided by NIC from managing all the women and children with beneficiary related government schemes, central government as well as the state government schemes. If a particular scheme is not there, if workflow is not there, we can add it also. Without wasting further resources, my request is this service, what we are providing, this software and service can be made use of. And Mahirashtra department, actually these are 4 departments are there. Next slide. Health and medical and family welfare department. In the case of urban areas also, there is they also provided livelihood support services. For that also it can be used. Women and child welfare department. So there are 4 or 5 departments are there using providing services to the women, and for all these 4 departments same software can be used. And schemes, there are around in the NRHM, MCTS, Bangar, like this, there are various schemes are there, child protection schemes and nutritional supplementary nutrition schemes and livelihood support programs, insurance programs. So all these schemes can be implemented, and they did not have separate system or software for implementing and managing those schemes. Next slide, please.
Yes, please go ahead.
Mother children, actually mother and children registration by the village organization or Anganwadi worker or the ANM, and any of them can register, and whatever a particular functionary registers, the data gets shareable to other functionary. And pregnancy confirmation by the ANC, then the ANC2, ANC3, and if high risk cases, then it will be monitored by the medical officer. This is a typical workflow of the service in the case of this and the various services rendered by the ANM, registration services, authentication services, ANC1, high risk referral cases, ANC2, ANC3, delivery authentication, and child immunization, Janani Suraksha Yojana implementation, PNCs 1 to 7. So these are the services ANM renders typically using this software to the mother and the newly born baby. Next slide, please. This is another detailed workflow: registration and pregnancy confirmation, and check in case if it is high risk, then further the medical officer takes care of high risk management for anemia, pre-eclampsia or eclampsia abnormal cases. So this way, actually abnormal cases right from beginning we are tracking. Next slide, please. This is actually a typical workflow because now, as you say, the gender ratio is becoming alarming nowadays. So to monitor, to protect the girl child, in each state there is a scheme. So this is a particular workflow which can be slightly customized for managing the girl child protection schemes of various states. Next slide, please. This is village organization. They can register a new mother and they can update the bank details of the mother, they can upload the documents, they can register a child, they can also when ANM actually they can also, alert a message to the ANM about pregnancy of a mother or what or a woman or whatever may be, and they can also authenticate the delivery details, and they can search in mother at the time of registering a mother. They can search if a mother is already existing, they need not register again. So these are the services of a village organization or ANM. Anyhow, actually I have shown earlier. Next slide, medical officer. They actually authenticate the ANC, and high risk cases tracking they do, and delivery details authentication they do. Medical officer, they have these functions. Next slide please. Anganwadi worker registration, beneficiary services updation, that is SNP or spot feeding or take home ration or preschool education, whatever services they render day to day, that can be updated, and food stock management, and Anganwadi monthly progress report reporting, and annual status reporting, immunization services, whatever they render, that can be reported, and other reports, whatever they send, they can report. So, and synchronization to server, actually this happens transparently without the knowledge of the Anganwadi worker as and when there is a connectivity. Next slide please. Total beneficiaries, we have 89,984 in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, these two states together, and ANMs we have 26,220, and sub-centers we have 13,049 sub-centers are there. PHCs we have 22,224 PHCs are there. We have captured the master data of all these facilities in Andhra, functionaries and facilities in Andhra Pradesh. And total mothers registered, these are the statistics as in the case of both Andhra and Telangana. Next slide please. Yeah, this is a typical dashboard: new mother registration, update mother records, ANC1 authentication, update ANC, delivery details. So like this, actually this will also in the mobile also, this comes in case if it is an Android mobile, and in case if it is an ordinary mobile, we are providing a text template so that they can send SMS. If it is an Android, the interactive screens like this also will be visible. So this is what is actually about Mahila Shishu, and thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, Rajsekhar ji. And if you could be there for a couple of minutes, if there are clarifications and questions, we'll just take few of them.
So the question is that it's... Yeah, we'll just connect it. We'll go to the portal and we'll look at what is there. So that was one suggestion, that we go to the portal that he suggested. So this is open software. My question was, Rajsekhar ji, if Madhya Pradesh, and when we get into discussions this afternoon, we decide to move ahead with something like this in a particular district or two, or however we decide to do that, can NIC Bhopal suggest help in rolling this out in the state? It's a question to you. So how can NIC Bhopal and NIC Andhra, can they work together, and how can we make this happen if this was to be rolled out in Madhya Pradesh? What would be the steps?
So this question is how NIC, AP and Madhya Pradesh joined together to facilitate rolling out of this application in Madhya Pradesh. That is actually the question, madam?
Correct.
Actually, I am in touch with our Madhya Pradesh. Actually, we have been in touch with our Minister of WCD, and they have also, we are taking support of the WCD Ministry. And objective of taking support of WCD Ministry is the recurring cost of expenditure which the Anganwadis have to spend for communication cost, which may be around, it can be 60 rupees per least cost. What I observed is 60 rupees per annum. That is 5 rupees per month per Anganwadi worker is the cost of communication with basic minimum cost which the state government has to incur. On the other day, actually, the secretary has agreed to bear this cost for pilot states, which includes Madhya Pradesh also. So we are actually we are in touch with the ministry so that So ultimately, in case if the recurring cost, the last mile, if you provide a mobile device or a tablet PC and also the communication cost, if you are taking care, rest all things we will take care. Software is already there in place, and if customization, additional reports, or if you want to add functionality of one or two other schemes also, because we don't want the persons, the state government officials who are providing services to the women and children to run after different softwares. Single software has to be used because the beneficiary is same. They can track whether particular malnourished children has been serviced by Anganwadi worker or not, and whether the particular medicines are being issued by the health workers or not. So there should be a synchronous view should be there. Though the budget is different, the line departments are different, their administrative heads are different, but they should have a synchronous view. At the same time, when I say synchronous view, single software, we are not diluting their powers. They are role-based, whatever function they are doing, we are also ensuring the same functionality in the software by role-based access control. And for example, privacy also we are ensuring. Ultimately, what I mean to say is, we will collaborate, and through we will provide a training. We will also give a URL to the Madhya Pradesh so that they can start using it the way the Gmail is being used. They need not run from pillar to post. They did not ask anybody. I have given 2 emails. You can to start with, you can start communicating with me. And Madhya Pradesh, our team is there. They're also friendly, and we will be ensuring whatever support is required. Basically, we expect one is additional customization and reports. That facility we will do from Hyderabad. And training part, our Madhya Pradesh counterparts, they will ensure training. And further also, we will conduct training through the video conference, and further hand-holding and training, if any required, we'll ensure that through the Madhya Pradesh NIC.
Sir, this is Sunil Jain. I am from NIC Bhopal.
Oh, namaskar, Sunil ji.
Namaskar.
Anyhow, you are there, you can ask.
I am here. So I just like to assure them that this is only a brief presentation about the application. If the department over here or some other officers are basically keen on this, then we can conduct a detailed video conferencing through our VC studio. Mr. Rajshekhar can be there, and then he can allow you to go a complete presentation, complete walkthrough of the application, what are the features and how to go about it, how to launch it with minimal investment. So I think, but sir, actually in the meantime, all audiences also want to have a live demo, basically, so just give us the URL.
I'll share with you, and you can actually, because right now we are actually requested for mahilashishoo.gov.in.
Okay.
And there was some delay in getting that. Otherwise, I requested for a domain name mahilashishoo.gov.in.
Okay.
So that domain, there is slightly delay in getting such a generic domain. So otherwise, I would have given that. They are asking some explanation. So I will giving that URL.
Okay. Right now we don't have a direct access to the site using any other URL.
I will share you. I will share a URL. URL is there, but that is AP specific. I want to give a URL where Madhya Pradesh people can use straight away start using it.
Okay.
Please. Sir, please give your URL of a AP actually. Please give URL of AP. Mahila Shishu URL of AP.
I think we do one thing. Those people who are interested, we can separately conduct a detailed session with Mr. Rajshekhar. Right.
Any quick last thoughts? Okay, Rajshekhar ji, thank you very much for being online, and we will take the URL over phone, and we are breaking for lunch here, and after the lunch is over, we'll put it on the screen, right? Thank